Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack rare and zip archives on your Motorola Edge 30 Ultra. So to do this, first you'll need to get the rare app, and we're showing you how to download it in another video. Now let's open it. From here, find the files that you want to unpack, and for me they're right here. Click on them, then click on this arrow pointing up, and if you want to change designation where to unpack these files, select browse and choose the designation. Click on OK to save that. You can change any archiving options if you want, and then click on OK, and that way you'll unpack your files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.